Prepare lunch that Maradin will keep asking for and won't stop repeating. Let's start by peeling and cutting the potatoes. These should be cut into small pieces. The more square-shaped, the better. This way they cook evenly and turn out delicious. Imagine how perfect they look, almost as if cut with a ruler. Then we put them in a pan and add a little olive oil. Just a drizzle so they're not swimming in oil. And here comes the trick. Make sure all the potato pieces get equal love. No discriminating against potatoes. We continue by seasoning them well. Use your favorite seasonings: salt, black pepper, oregano, paprika, and dried parsley. You can use whichever you like best. Customize to taste, mix well until evenly coated. Then, put the potatoes in the oven or air fryer to roast. I won't give an exact time as each oven varies, but watch until golden and crispy. While the potatoes cook, let's prep the meat. First, finely chop half an onion. Head to the stove and add a bit of oil to a pan. Then cook the onion until it's slightly golden. You know, that sweet spot where it's full of flavor? Next, add 2 minced garlic cloves and stir briefly. Pro tip: stirring garlic releases its aromatic magic. Now add 500 grams of ground beef. Let it cook a bit before seasoning. Season as you like, but I use salt, pepper, oregano, dried parsley, and paprika. Mix well for even cooking. You can add tomato paste for color, but I think paprika is enough. Trust me, paprika gives it that chef's touch. Once it's well cooked, taste to make sure it's delicious. Delicious. Then take it off the stove. Grate some mozzarella and make bechamel sauce. I forgot to film it, but I'll give details below if you need them. With the cheese grated, let's assemble our dish. In a baking dish, add the meat to the bottom. Think of it as layers of flavor. Each bite's an explosion of taste. On top, we'll add the potatoes. Look how crispy and golden they are. Those browned bits are pure joy. Next, add the bechamel sauce. You know how to make it, right? Finally, add plenty of grated mozzarella. If you like, sprinkle some oregano on top. Bake until the cheese is bubbly. It's a sight to see that melted cheese. And there you have it. It's truly delicious and super easy to make. Let me know what you think of this recipe. Did you fall in love with it like I did? Come on, leave comments with lots of love emojis.